G'day gents, welcome to video number 3. In this video we're going to look at how to construct or how to create the volume as well as this sort of countersunk blind rectangular hole and then also how to create the window opening on the front here. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our model and we're going to press and pull the shape that we currently have, a total of 40 millimeters. So let's go to our model. I'm going to now orbit. I can come out of that two-dimensional framework or view or orthographic, and I'm going to go to P for push pull. I'm going to grab the bucky. I'm going to pull it across 40 and I'm going to go enter. Right. Before I make this a group, and that's important, before I make this a group, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to finish with all the detail and add the color. So the back of the bucky, right? So if I scroll around to the back of the bucky, you'll see that we've got to again get this hole in. Now, instead of using the 40 by 20, right, and trying to find a center point on which to work out that, from which to work around to create that hole, we're going to just use the offset command of 10 millimeters, all right? So I'm going to zoom, so I get a certain zoom. I'm going to orbit so that I can get almost a top-down view, and I'm going to go F for offset. And I'm going to click the middle. Remember, we want to move, not out. So I've released now, for those of you who can't remember. So let me do it again. Click release. I'm out. I'm going in because I want to offset in 10 millimeters. So I type in 10 and enter. And then it says here that this is a total of 5 millimeters. So that blind hole is 5 millimeters. So I'm going to go press pull, click on it, and I'm going to come down 5 millimeters, and I'm going to press enter. I'm going to come across and around, orbit around to the front, because now we've got to do our window, and our window is going to be a 3 mm offset off each edge. So I'm going to go F, click. Remember, I'm not on the click and release, and I'm coming on the inside of the edge that we're given. 3 and enter. Press and pull now. So now that I've got that space, press pull, and I'm going to press pull to that inside edge there on the red, okay, on that edge. And now you'll see it gives me a nice opening for that front window. Okay, so there's the bucky constructed in terms of everything that we need. I'm going to get rid of this chappy because he's getting in the way. Right, and now what I'm going to do is triple click the whole thing, and I'm going to go to my materials. And I'm going to go search. I want more colors. That's not enough colors. That's a basic palette. So we want to go to colors, and we're going to use that Michael House red. Brilliant bright red over here, that racing red, and I'm going to click on it, and there we go. So our bucky is our red racing bucky, or should I rather say our workhorse is in. Now, last thing we've got to do before we end this video is make this a group. And how we do that is triple click on the whole thing. Make sure every edge every edge is highlighted blue, and you can see all those little blue speckles engaged all over the bucky. Then I'm going to right click and go make it a group. Now, next thing I'm going to do is tag this. So I'm going to introduce you to the tag command. Now to create a tag, we're going to go plus, and we're going to say bucky. Or actually, in fact, let's just go and type in body. Okay, and we're going to go OK. So what I will do now is I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go and tag the body of the bucky. Now what will happen is if I click on this eye, it will hide the tag. So when you start building up lots of little components for quite a comprehensive model, the more information you add into SketchUp, the more it drains the PC. So in order to alleviate the PC, we can hide things, and therefore we should be able to continue our work on other parts of the assembly without it lagging our PC. So that's what we want to use. We want to create tags so that we can remove things, show things, and just give our PC the best opportunity to work fast. So that is the end of the body of the bucky.